Hello friends, we'll be talking about importers. Actually, we are talking about hedging the risk of importers. Say you are an importer and you have purchased a ship at $1 lakh, which is payable at the end of 6 months. So you are going to pay $1 lakh at the end of 6 months. Spot rate, that is today's dollar rate, is say rupees 70 per dollar. See what you feel. You need to pay $1 lakh into 70. That is 70 lakhs rupees is incorrect. Why? This rate is of today. You need to pay after 6 months. So you will not be ending up paying 70 lakhs rupees. Say the rate becomes 75, you will end up paying 75 lakhs rupees. If the rate becomes 80, you will end up paying 80 lakhs rupees. Yes, if the rate becomes 60, you will be more than happy. But if the rate increases, here comes your risk. This is your risk. It is a risk that this rate will increase. The dollar rate against rupees will increase. If it increase, you will end up paying more amount of money. And today we are going to hedge, reduce this risk or nullify that particular risk. Understand, the first way to do it is future or forward. You will need $1 lakh after 6 months. Then in future or forward market, you can purchase $1 lakh. Say the rate applicable today is 71. At the rate of 71 after 6 months. So you will be certainly, without any doubt, without any probability, end up paying $1 lakh into 71. That is 71 lakhs rupees. Now the dollar becomes 80 after 6 months. You are not concerned. This is a compulsory contract. You will have to pay 71 lakhs. If the rate becomes 75, you are not concerned. You will end up paying 71 lakhs. If the rate becomes 60, then you will not be happy also, because you will end up paying 71 lakhs. These are compulsory contract. There is no option in it. So you will end up paying 71 lakhs. Why people enter into this type of contract is they don't want to take a risk on dollars. They want to take risk in their individual business where they are having a know-how. They don't want to daily see the rate of dollar, whether it is increasing or decreasing, or they don't want to speculate in dollars. So they will certain that amount, that this is the amount which will be ultimately payable. And so this is one of the ways in which you can hedge the risk. Number 2. See, here the price was 80, you were very happy to pay 71 lakhs. But if the price is 65, you are not happy. Why? You will still end up paying 71 lakhs. There is an option to it. If the rate reduces, then also you can have a benefit. If the rate increases, your amount will be certain. What? And that option is option. Purchase the type of option which is termed as a long. Long means you are purchaser of the option. Call is purchasing some commodity. What you are purchasing is dollar. Take a long call position of 6 months on $1 lakh. Say it is available at the rate of rupees 72. Is it alright? Still, what will happen? If the price of dollar is greater than 72, you will exercise this option and pay 72 lakhs. If the price of dollar is less than 72, then you will pay it in market. Means you can purchase the dollar in the market. Can you purchase the dollar in the market? The answer is yes. If the rate is say 60, you can purchase the dollar from the market, because here you are having option, there is no compulsion. But to have an option, you will have to pay some premium. Here, your benefit is not restricted. If the price goes down, you still get benefit. But your risk is restricted. Your risk is hedged, completely hedged. So, you end up paying the premium. Premium will be the loss whether you exercise the option or do not exercise the option. Third option is money market. What is money market? Try to concentrate. At the end of 6 months, you want to pay $1 lakh. Today in dollar, do such a transaction that this will be automatically paid. What you need to do if you want to pay $1 lakh after 6 months? Invest dollar. How much dollar? Say the deposit rate in USA is 5% for 6 months. Discount it at 5%, then 1 lakh is 95,238. You will invest $95,238. When? Today. What you will receive? You will receive $1 lakh. You have received $1 lakh. You can easily pay $1 lakh. The account is settled. Sir, but what about investment of $95,238 today? You will have to purchase that dollar to invest. So I will purchase today. How much dollar? 95,238. Now here there is any probability? No. This is done today. So there is no risk. You can directly purchase at 70 rupees. So how much amount you will end up paying? 95,238 multiplied by 70. It is 66,66,660. 66,66,660 rupees. You will be paying today? Sir, I am not having money today, but you are having OD, overdraft or CC. You can use that. Say the CC rate is 6% per 6 months. It is 6% for 6 months. So you will have to pay interest on this. How much interest you will be paying? 6% for 6 months. Then plus 6% will give you answer of 70 lakh 66,659 rupees. You will be ending up paying for your $1 lakh. Which amount is having some probability or some risk? No amount. It is certain we are borrowing 95,238 today? Yes. By purchasing that dollar? Yes. We have actually paid for it. You will be receiving $1 lakh after 6 months? Yes. What you will do with that $1 lakh? You will pay $1 lakh. This account is settled? Yes. Today you have borrowed this money. After 6 months, you will have to, along with the interest, pay 70 lakh 66,659. Say market price of dollar is 80. No worry, you will end up paying 70 lakh 66,659 rupees. By all three methods, you are hedging your risk. But in these two methods, only your risk is hedged. If the dollar price goes down, your benefit you will not be getting. In this, you also get your benefit. But to get that benefit, you end up paying the premium. Is it alright? This is future forward option, money market. By any way, you can hedge your risk. Is it alright? Have a safe business. Thank you, friends.